V3. So in V3, you'll have eaten. और V4 है eating, verb plus ing, and V5 is eats, verb plus s. So now you know the 5 form of verbs, all of you. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So these are the 5 form of verbs. So ये जो present tense, as I had already discussed, in present tense you use V1 as well as V5. So it depends on the subject. Singular subject, जैसे यहाँ goes है ना, here you have he goes, but if you change the subject, if you make it they, then which verb will you use?
V1. Go.
Go, yes. So you see, यहाँ V1 भी use होता है, V5 भी use होता है, and that depends on the subject. If the subject is singular, then you use verb with s. If the subject is plural, then you use verb without s. But you have to remember 2 exceptions, I and you. ये मैंने बता भी दिया है टेबल पे लिख के. With I, you use am, he, she, ये. यहाँ. Okay, so with I and you always use the present form of the verb only, means verb without s. So this is the, and how do you make the negative and interrogative of the present tense? Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am. Subject plus do, does plus not.
Yes,
So,
you have to
V1
add do
plus
or
not.
does. Again, whether you are using do or does depends on the subject. Like he does, you are using here. Again, if the subject change, if we make the subject they, then what will you use? Does or do?
Do.
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 You have to remember.
Do.
Does used for singular and do for plural. यहाँ दे हो गया subject, तो plural use हुआ. And what are the exceptions?
I and you. You and I.
I and you.
And I.
Yes, I, you, exceptions. With I and you, which form of the verb you use?
Without E.
Do.
V1, verb without S. Do you say I goes to temple? Do you say I reads?
No, ma'am.
You say
No,
I
ma'am.
read every day, huh? Similarly with you, also you always use, if you observe the sentences, with you, you always use the verb without S. So with I and you will use the verb without S. I, you always use verb without S, and with plurals. So verb without S used for I, you, and the plurals. Then how do we make the negative? We make the negative by adding do, does, and
Plus not. Plus not.
not. Do, does plus not. And again you have to remember that with do, does, with both you are using only the V1. With do and does both you are using the V1. So he goes to the temple. So what is the negative? He does not go to the temple. Yeah, you see here it is goes, but when you are using do or does, then you'll use only go. He does not go to the temple. It is the negative. And does he go to the temple? It is the interrogative. Then the present continuous. So present continuous, what you use? Continuous have. Whenever it is continuous, so ing should be there. So this you have to remember. Whenever you have continuous, so what will you use in the verb? You will use ing.
ING.
Yes. And then you have to use is, am, are plus ing. So what you are using in present continuous, you are using is, am, are plus ing. This also again depends on whether the subject is plural or singular. So with I, you use always am. With he, she, is. And again, if it becomes plural, it is are. So this all of you must be knowing. What you use in present continuous, continuous है तो ing लगेगा. Is, am, are depends on the subject. Singular के लिए is, I के साथ am, and for plural are. So example, he is not going to the market, ये है present negative. और he is going to the market, this is present continuous. So you also call present continuous present progressive, because the action is in progress. वो action जो है progress में हो रहा है. So you also called present continuous present progressive. So here he is going to the market is our present continuous tense. Is, am, are plus ing. Continuous means ing. Then making negative is very easy. With is, am, are, whatever is there, you use not.
Plus
Then
not.
yes. And making interrogative is also very easy.
Is, are, am plus subject plus verb plus ing
आपको
plus object.
दो जो वर्ड है उसका पोजीशन आगे पीछे कर देना है. तो यहाँ जो है ये इज को पहले कर देंगे और ये ही को बाद में कर देंगे, तो वो इंट्रोगेटिव हो जाएगा. इज ही, ये नॉट को भी हटा देंगे, तो इज ही गोइंग टू द मार्केट. सो इंट्रो okay. Then present perfect. Present perfect is subject plus has, have. So plus V3. So what you have to remember, you always have to use the V3 with has or have. Subject plus has, have. Always use V3 with has, have. Plus V3. He has gone to the market. Can you write he has went to the market? ये हम लिख सकते हैं. Is it correct?
No,
If I write he
no,
has
ma'am.
went.
No, ma'am.
So
No, ma'am.
always V3. He has gone. So V3 is gone. Go, went, gone. So you can use only the third form of the verb. If you use V2 with has or have, your sentence will be grammatically incorrect. Okay. So you have to use always, you have to remember that with has, have, also with had. HAD had जो है उसके साथ भी हमेशा V3 ही यूज होता है. So making negative is very easy. Has, have plus not. Then making interrogative is also easy. You just have to change the position of two words. Then has he gone to the market? ये बेसिक जो हमारा बेस सेंटेंस है, इसमें इसको आगे कर देंगे पहले और इसको बाद में, तो ये क्या हो जाता है, इंट्रोगेटिव. सो इन इंट्रोगेटिव यू जस्ट हैव टू change the position of the subject and the helping verb. So you have to change the position of the subject and the helping verb, it will become interrogative. So again, with use have with, has with singular, and have with plural. I is an exception. I always use, or I and you छूट गया है. I and you is an exception. With I and you. So this you can add if you have written the notes in your copy. So you note this down. ये correction note कर लो, इसको copy में कर लेना. I and you is an exception. Always use have with I and you. So you can note it down if you have written the notes. Then present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous. So has, have. So one thing that you have to remember in this is that in the structure for present continuous, you always use since for. If you don't use since and for and time expression, your sentence will not be complete. Like if you say, I have been living in Patna, it is not a complete sentence. You have to use since for and the time. I have been studying. This is not a complete sentence. I have been studying since 9 o'clock. So that is the complete sentence. So and making the negative is very easy. I have not been living in Patna for 4 years. So has have के बाद not लगा देना. Then again the making the interrogative is also very easy. In the first sentence you just change the word order, जो हमारा basic sentence है present perfect continuous का. ये जो है बेसिक सेंटेंस में बस 2 वर्ड को आगे पीछे करना, हैव को पहले कर देंगे, आई को बाद में, तो ये हमारा क्या हो जाएगा, इंट्रोगेटिव. हैव आई बीन लिविंग इन पटना फॉर 4 years. So making interrogative is also very easy. You just have to change the word order of 2 words. So the sentence becomes question. If you change the word order of the subject and the helping verb, it becomes question. And if you add not in the verb, it becomes negative. So making negative and interrogative is very, very easy. You just have to change the word order of these two. It becomes a question. And okay. Hello. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So present perfect continuous, you always have to add since for. Since for के बिना हमारा sentence complete नहीं होगा. And some time expression. So interrogative is also, have you been living in Patna? So have जो helping verb है उसको पहले कर देंगे, subject को बाद. Then past tense. Okay, past tense. So now we come to the past tense. So what is the structure of the past? Subject
Subject
plus V2 plus object. So subject is I, V2 is 8 and apple. So and what is the structure of the negative? So this you have to remember. जैसे हम present में, simple present में negative बनाते हैं do या does जोड़ के. You remember? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you remember we make the negative and interrogative in simple present by adding do or does after the subject. You have to remember in simple past that you use did not or didn't. इसका short form है didn't. दोनों it means the same. Did not or didn't means the same. It is just the contracted form. So subject plus did not plus V1. So this you always have to remember that though the structure is of past negative, you are using the present verb. I did not eat an apple. क्योंकि हमने did not लगा दिया तो पूरा sentence जो है वो past हो गया. Here you cannot use the V2. In the structure you will have V2, But when you will add did not, you will change this V2 to V1. So this you have to remember. Okay. Can you write I did not eat an apple? ये सुनने में क्या सही लग रहा है? I did not eat an apple.
No, ma'am.
I did not went to school. Do you say I did not went to school? अगर दोस्त बोलते हैं कि मैं स्कूल नहीं, तो what do you say? I did not go.
I did not go to
I
school.
did not go to school.
So you say I did not go. So you always have to remember that with did not you always use the present form of the word. तो स्ट्रक्चर में आपको जो पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस है वो रहेगा. But when you are Ayush Goyal, so when you are making it negative, you will add did not plus V1. Though the structure is of the past negative, you have to use the V1 form of the verb. So this you have to remember. Then I did not eat an apple is the, I will send the PDF in the group. So this PDF I will send it in the class group and on the Snap homework also. So you have to write all these notes in the copy. Is it clear to all of you? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम ये एन और आई का मतलब क्या है?
कहाँ पर एन और आई?
मैम यहाँ पर एग्जाम्पल के नीचे.
एग्जाम्पल के नीचे कहाँ एन आई है?
नेगेटिव इंट्रोगेटिव
हाँ, ये नेगेटिव है. एन मतलब नेगेटिव और आई मतलब इंटरोगेटिव क्वेश्चन. ठीक है ना?
मैम.
हाँ बोलो, पूछ सकते हो. एनी डाउट?
मैम ये आप एक बार स्टार्टिंग से,
क्या बोलो?
मैम आप एक बार स्टार्टिंग से ये दिखा सकती है, स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है.
ठीक है, मैं भेज दूंगी स्नैप पर. तो प्रेजेंट का लिखना है ना? ठीक है, लो.
मैं भेजी भी थी ये चीज.
आप भेजे थे, हम स्नैप पे हम भेज देंगे.
मैम ये INT क्या है?
कौन सा?
मैम एग्जाम्पल के नीचे INT.
इंट्रोगेटिव अभी तो बताए. ये जो है इंट्रोगेटिव और ये एन मतलब नेगेटिव. ओके, आई विल सेंड इट ऑन द. ये आगे बढ़ाए, इसको स्क्रीनशॉट लेना.
यस मैम.
ओके, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट.
मैम ग्रामर के लिए कोई बुक लेना है?
नहीं, बुक नहीं है, इसीलिए तो नोट्स तुम लोग को दे रहे हैं. देयर इज नो प्रिस्क्राइब्ड बुक फॉर ग्रामर. दैट इज व्हाई आई एम गिविंग यू नोट्स so that you can revise during the time of examination from this. There is one workbook.
Ma'am, please send on a Snap homework, ma'am.
Yes, I will send. I sent it earlier also. Again, I will send. क्या? WhatsApp group और Snap homework दोनों पे मैंने भेजा था, मैं फिर भेज दूंगी. So don't worry about these notes, you will get it. Okay? We'll continue with.
मैम आपने 9J में नहीं भेजा था.
9J में मैं Snap पे भेज दूंगी. 9J I'm not there in the group. So,
Okay.
I will send it on the Snap. Snap work. From there you can see. You can write it down. But it is very but it is very necessary to make copy and write down all the notes. As I told you, there is no grammar book, so you have to read from these notes only. Okay, Hey, come mute yourself. किसने कौन आवाज कर रहा है? ये मानवेंद्र.
मैम किस डेट को भेजी थी?
फिर मैं आज भेज देती हूँ सारा प्रेजेंट और पास्ट. ये मानवेंद्र,
यस मैम.
ये तुम्हारे आवाज आ रही है.
यस मैम.
ओके
मैम
अच्छा, बहुत तेज आवाज आ रही. Okay, so you will get the notes on class group and Snapwork. So don't worry about these notes. I will. So you just okay. So we were talking about the past negative, that you always have to use the present form of the verb with did not. Then making the interrogative also very easy. Did plus verb plus did plus subject plus V1. Did you eat an apple? So did plus subject
Plus
plus
object.
V1 plus object.
Object.
Yes. But as I told you, sentence can be complete without an object also. She is reading. यहाँ object नहीं है, but sentence
Yes,
is complete. So you can have a sentence without an object also. So past continuous. So this you have to remember in past tense, that with did not you will always use the present form of the verb. In interrogative structure also you have did. यहाँ did not है तो V1, और interrogative में भी did है तो भी V1. You cannot write did you eat an apple. It is wrong. So and what is the use of the past tense? Simple past, used to describe that things that have already happened, जो हो चुका है. India got independence in 1947. वो हो चुका है. So it is used to describe things that have already happened. Then past continuous. So what you use in past continuous, as we know, continuous also means progressive. So past continuous is also called past progressive, because the action continued, whether in the present or in the past. So what is the structure of past continuous? It is subject and was, were plus verb plus ing. इसको V4 भी कहते हैं. verb plus ing हमारा कौन सा V4 फॉर्म हुआ ना, subject plus was, were plus V4 plus ing plus object. And example is I was watching TV when he came. So in present continuous and past continuous, what is the similarity? You are using ing form. Continuous है तो ing use कर रहे हैं, लेकिन present में हमने क्या use किया था? is, am, are. In past we are using was and were. Again, you have to remember was for singular and were for plural. Past for singular and were for plural. I was watching TV when he came. This is an example of the past continuous tense. So subject, I हमारा subject हो गया. Was, I के साथ was, क्योंकि singular है, was singular. Then verb plus ing, then object TV when he came. So this is the structure of the past continuous. Subject. Then making negative is very easy. How you make the negative? After was, were, you add not. After was, were, you add not. So there is some similarity in all the structures. In all the structures, after the helping verb, you add not and make the negative. In most of the structures, only in सिंपल प्रेजेंट एंड सिंपल पास्ट, ये दो में याद रखना है कि सिंपल पास्ट डू डज प्लस V1 and in simple present do does plus V1 and in simple past did plus V1, did not plus V1 and did plus V1. So otherwise some things are same in all the structures. Other tenses you just add not after the helping word to make the negative. I was not watching TV when he came, नेगेटिव है तो बस एक नॉट जोड़ दिए तो वो नेगेटिव हो गया. एंड अगेन एज आई टोल्ड यू, यू चेंज द वर्ड ऑर्डर. हाँ, ये टू मेक द इंट्रोगेटिव. Was he watching TV when he came? You just change the word order and you make it the negative. Then use was for singular and were for plural. So this all of you must be knowing. Was is used for singular, and were is used for plural. And what is the use? It is used to describe an action which was in progress at some time in the past. मतलब past के कोई समय में ये हो रहा था. So what is the use of the tense? It is used to describe an action that continued at some time in the past. I was watching TV when my friend came. The action was happening at some time in the past. Okay. Then we come to past perfect. So what is the structure in the past perfect? Subject plus had plus V3. So example is when I reached school, the bell had rung. Or a simple sentence, I had gone to the market. यहाँ पर ऑब्जेक्ट भी जोड़ सकते हो. So subject I plus had plus V3 gone to the market. So here we don't have any object. To the market is not an object. So when I reached school, the bell had rung. Past perfect is clear? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
पूछना है किसी को? So what do you use in past perfect? Had plus V3. So in past perfect, you use had plus V3. When I reached the school, the bell had rung. This is had and this is the V3. This is the V3. So again, here also you have to remember that there are, with 3 words you have to use the V3. Which are the 3 helping verbs? बताओ कहाँ V3 यूज होता है?
Had, have, and has.
Has, have, had. With all these 3, always V3. Okay? Has, have, had. So, and again, making the negative is very easy. When I reached school, the bell had not rung. तो बस एक वर्ड नॉट लगाना है had के बाद, तो then it becomes the negative. So making negative is very easy. Making the interrogative is very easy. You just have to change word order of 2 words. So had the bell rung. So you have to again remember that with all these structures, ये जो past perfect का सारा structure है उसमें सब में V3 लगाना है. Here if you use had the bell rang, is your sentence correct? Is it
No,
correct?
ma'am.
Had the bell rang?
No,
It is
ma'am.
not correct.
No, ma'am.
So because you have to use the V3. Ring rang.
Rung.
Rung. तो यही use करना है. So there are. So these are the basic things that you have to remember. Okay. Had the bell rung only, not had the bell rang. Okay. When you reach school. Okay. Then what is the use of the past tense? Completed at some point before another action began. Completed at some point before another action began. So when do you use it? You use it to indicate the sequence of the action. Sequence मतलब दो काम past में हुआ, तो जो काम पहले हुआ उसके लिए had use करेंगे और जो काम बाद में हुआ उसके लिए simple past. Suppose there is a sentence. I'll give you an example. When I reached the school, when I reached the station, the train had left. So here two things are happening in the past. Past में दो काम हुआ. You reached the station and the train left. But which thing happened earlier? The train left earlier. ट्रेन पहले निकल गई, तुम स्टेशन बाद में पहुंचे. तो जो काम पास्ट में दो काम हुआ, तो जो काम पहले हुआ उसके लिए had और जो काम बाद में हुआ उसके लिए simple past. So past tense is usually used to past perfect is used to denote the sequence of the action. Two actions happened in the past, but which action happened earlier? For that you will use the past perfect. Like in this sentence also, two things happened. You reached the school, the bell rung. But what happened? जब तुम स्कूल पहुंची तो बेल बज चुकी थी. So for that earlier action you are using the past perfect tense. So is it clear when to use the past perfect?
Yes,
When
ma'am.
when I reached home, my father had left for the office. So two actions are happening in the past. You reached school also and father left also. But which action happened earlier? Father left earlier. So for that you will use the had. When I reached home, my father had left. So, okay, past perfect continuous. So it is subject plus had been plus verb plus ing plus since for plus time. ये जोड़ देना structure. Since for plus time. I had been studying since 9 o'clock. So what are you using in the past perfect continuous? Had plus been plus verb plus ing plus since plus for plus time. I had been studying since 9 o'clock. Then making the negative is very easy. ये had के बाद बस not लगा देना तो वो negative हो जाएगा. So in most of the tenses, you just have to add the not after the helping verb. But only in two tenses you have to remember. It is formed